Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is that what's in your love life, recent love life. Okay, not so far, not near future. What's recently in your love life. Okay, there are two piles over here. One is a blue ring, and the other one is called Matha Bindya. Whichever attracts you most, you can choose that. Okay, now I am going towards my reading number one. Those who choose pile number one and blue color ring, your reading is someone or you. It may be someone or it's you are cutting someone from your life, or um, uh, lying to someone. uh, yes, lying to someone, or going to cut them. I think you are cutting your desire, something or someone, because this is the reading of love. There is choices for you. You have many choices in love life. Okay, and you are seeing at them, watching them, thinking about them, what you have to put, and what you have to throw away, which one is good for you and which one is not good for you, or what you have to do and what not. Okay, and now you are going to be decide someone and cut the other alls, or maybe you are going to cut your desire or that person that you think they are not good for you. But I think maybe I had to clarify for this. uh, Ace of Swords. Yes, you want something new, want to start something new. And yes, Page of Wands. Yes, and you're thinking about someone, so a new person with love, with attraction. You are attracted to them. Why is this Seven of Cups are here? Yes, changes some, or maybe this is restrictions. These are restrictions. You are restricted to someone, restricted to some thing in your love. You can't know where to go, how to do it. You want these things in this card, and they are restricted. Now you are cutting off something, these restrictions, or they are. What else? Yes, you are going towards your wishes. You want to overcome your wishes, fulfill your wishes. Yes, you want to fulfill your wishes, and you don't like the restrictions about these things, about this person, about your love life. Yes. Now, this is a card of Nine of Pentacles, and luxurious life, happiness, fulfillment. Yes, this is that. But I'm seeing that you are not good, happy in this. You are thinking about someone. You have all the things in your love, maybe relatives, and money, house, um wealth, all the things in your life. But you love someone else. You like someone else. You want someone else, and you are not enjoying these life luxuries because of them. Yes, that's what I got from here. Yes, the Judgment. Some big changes coming towards you. There is a big change for you. It's hiding. Something is changing for you. What is it? I want to clarify it. Emperor. Wow. Maybe you are going to have what you want. You are succeed in your aim. uh, yes, this is a card of Six of Wands, and this is a victory card. This is a success card, and you are going to be success. The change, it bring you that person you must want more, mostly by heart, with your all will, wish or will. Yes, you are going to be succeed in this thought, to have that person, to have that his or him, whoever they are, their love. Okay, yes, this is going to be happen, but it's take the time. It is very slow energy over here. The Knight of Pentacle is very slow person, but it is indeed a very clever, or what you can say, not clever, it is a wise person. Okay, he think and then come towards you, or this situation is not good at the time, but with the passage of time it is good for you, and it is uh, happening as you want. Okay, yes, it is safe for you to love. Yes, he is good for you. It is safe for you to love them. They are good person, they are honorable, they are they love you also. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. You have to open your heart and think about them, and let them in your life, let them get in your life. Yes, heart to heart conversations. Honestly, uh, discuss your feelings with each other. Yes, talk with each other honestly. Tell them everything about what you think about them, what are you thinking about them, what you have in your heart, in your mind for them. Tell them. It's good for your relationship and for you both. Okay, very soon, it is going to be very soon, very soon they are coming towards you. uh, what is this? Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. You have to be decide what thing, which one you want, your desire, or what the others have given to you. Look, there are more choices for you, there are more persons for you, and you have to be decide, because this situation is unfolded very soon, or become very soon, they are coming towards you very soon, and you have to decide, or otherwise others will decide for you, your parents, your sister, brother, whatever you have, and you have to choose, decide for yourself. Okay, religious factor, I am seeing here that there is a religious factor, that's that why you are so sad here, because you don't think that you are going to be marry them. It's maybe a religious factor. It's also maybe the upbringing of your how they your parents upbring you, and how their parents upbring them. Okay, it's a thought, I see, uh, thoughts different, living different, some customs that are not alike. Okay, your love life is influenced by your religion, upbringing, and spiritual path. Yes, it's because of your religious upbringing or a spiritual path. Maybe you are um, too cool, too open minded, and they are not. Maybe they are too open minded, and you are very spiritual. Your upbringing is very spiritually, and maybe there, and you're both talking way are different, your clothes are different, your families are different to each other. One is a very rich from a very rich family, and the other is from a very not that much rich. Okay, that's what I got from here. Groundhog. Groundhog, it is an energy of shifting with something is changing. Okay, light shift, maybe the way you are looking something, or looking someone, thinking about them, that thing is changing. You are going to inspired by them, or your parents are going to be inspired by them. Purification, this is a very pure situation, very clear, very lovable. Yes, you are going to be shake. when you saw them or when you meet them or your parents, whoever going not happy with this situation, they are going to be shaped when they saw them, when they are going to see them, and they think, wow, how charming he or she, how beautiful she is. The way they talk, the way they live, they walk, they deal with other person, they like that thing. I think it's the time that you have got in this situation small, little, or they are a little bit height short-heighted person, something, or you are the short-heighted person, um, or maybe this the time you have is short, so prepare for them, for this situation. um, Powerful time coming soon. This powerful time is coming soon. Time of prophecy and possibility that you can marry them, you can have them. Get ready for quick things to happen. Yes, I am also already told you that uh, you have to be ready for these things. It's going to be happen quickly happen, or soon they are going to be happen. Time for preparation. Yes, prepare yourself. Purification, healing, clearing, let go bad habits and negative things. Yes, if you have any bad habit, any smoking or addiction type, or you think about someone else, and someone else is coming towards you, or maybe because if this knight of swords is not you, then it's maybe that person who is coming towards you and cutting all others who are between you both and coming towards you. And this is why they are telling you let go bad habits and negative things. If you are thinking about someone else, or if you are thinking that they are not good for you, they are not beautiful, they are not what you think about them, what you have an idea about your husband, they are not your idealistic, not your ideal person, that is not the thing. They are good for you, okay? Yes, yes, that's your situation. So you have to be ready for it. It's going to be happen very soon. There is a very soon card over here, and the groundhog, it also tell you that it's going to be happen very soon. Okay. I think the person here who is slow, it's you're thinking about them, or want to make some decision. Now you know that there is no time for you left behind, so you have to decide very soon, okay? Or whatever you want to do is do it very soon, okay? Okay. Lantern fairy, a clear solution. Yes, this fairy will show you in the light of the lantern what is uh, what is the way you have to choose, what is the clear solution for this mystery. Whatever you want, what do you have to do in this situation? I want to pull some more cards for you. Now you have the card of lovers. Somebody is looking towards you with passion, with love, with good desires. Okay, now you have the cards, day or dawn, breakthrough, awakening, awareness. You are having your awareness. Soon you have decided and know what you have to do. Have to decide. You are already know what is good for you and what is not. And behind the colors of life, yes. Maybe that person is not as you think, but it is good for you. Okay, color green. It's safe for you to move forward, to go towards them. They are harmless. They are good for you. They are healing person, healer, or uh, this situation is good for you. Okay, it's the right path. Okay, now waves or water. Waves. I think this is where you are stuck in these waves. You have to pass through them. Go to the and think what you want. You can't decide now. You're not able to decide now. Whatever I thinking of this, you're searching over it. Yes. Go now. Decide if your search is. I mean, it's time for you that you have to be decide now. Okay. Construction. Construct something with them. Construct your life, your home, your whatever you are going to do with them. Yes, 33 number. This number is most highest of number master numbers. Okay, highly energetic. It's spiritual matters. Yes, I think your intuition going to be heightened, and you have to be spiritual more than you are being before that situation. Extremely intuitive, galactic people communicate with others, high mental powers, bridge between earth and other dimensions. Wow, very protective. Yes, they are very protective about you, or they give you the safe lifestyle. Very loving, family man, social, cultural. After cross age 33, they might get a call for why they sent to earth, non-limited energy. Not an easy job, beauty of word. They actually knows why the earth is created, purpose of life, chosen one, extremely intelligent, go through lots of troubles to achieve the love of God or to know the truth of life. Uh, Revelation came through their dreams, traumatic happenings. Something happened to them that their mental energies connecting to Allah, to the soul. Do not afraid of this restless energy, because this is only awakening your inner energies, full of love and passionate. It's your rebirth experience one. Yes, you don't have to be worried about it. You will know what you have to do. You can get the signs what you have to do. Your spirituality is going to harden, and you will know what is better for you and not you. That's what I get from here. And the number 7, where is it? No, where is it? There it is. Number 7. About number 7, so deep, difficult to know them. Hidden personality. Never allow anyone to peek inside them. Mysterious, fascinating, attract to everything hidden, unknown, undiscovered, explorer, study new, searchers, deep thinkers, love's own company. Sorry, love's own company. Independent, alone, do not need anyone. Also social, but don't want anybody to know about them. Distance keeper, cold seam, um, genuine, knowledgeable pupil, good debater, shell keeper, do not share problems with anyone. Analyzers, you can correct your mistake perfectly, never repeat the mistakes. Good researchers, generous, good writer, orators, medical fields, focus on your ability. Hard worker, hard thinkers, isolated, less talkative, always creating things, always in work, completion. They are difficult for their partners quite. I think this energy is for you. I think you are the person who don't want to know anybody what you are thinking, what are you going through. That person is you. That powerful person is you. Yes. Um, But there you see you have number 33, and there is they say that they said that your spirituality is going to be heightened, intuition are going to be heightened. You know what you have to do, what is the right for you, what is wrong for you. Extremely intuitive galactic pupil. Okay, yes. um, uh, yes, you are a good communicator. Okay. um, yes, you can deal with this situation. That's what I am getting from here. You are that person, and you are going to be do what you ever want to do. You know the situation, you know the person, the other person is good for you. He is he love you very much. It is safe for you to love, and whatever. Yes, this is your reading. Please share, subscribe, and like with lots of love. um, uh, why I am going towards my reading number 2. Those who chose Madhya Bindya reading or pile number 2, your reading is someone or you. It's it's someone, or it's also you. Maybe it's you. You want to fight over something. You want to win something, to have victory in some case. I want to clarify this. Queen of Swords. You want to cut someone from your life. I think yes. The other card is you want to cut someone from your life, or someone has been cut you from your life. Yes, Nine of Swords. That's why you are not getting good sleep. You are stressful. You are restless. Yes, you can't get a good nap, good sleep because of this situation. You are overthinking about it. Why is this situation? Five of Pentacles, cutting by Five of Pentacles. I mean, clarify by Five of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. Okay. Um, because someone wants someone to leave, and be a free person. Be like as an empire, emperor, empress. I'm sorry, like an empress. That's why you leave someone, or someone leave you, left you. That's what I am getting from here. Once more. Only one more. Yes, what is this? Eight of Wands. Very soon. It's going to be happen very soon, very soon. There is no time left between. Very soon. Because maybe you want to be someone uh, helpful, help to others. You are a very loving person. You are taking care of others. Knight of Wands. Maybe you want to go towards someone else, or towards your happiness, your freedom. Five of Pentacles. Then what is this? Four of Pentacles. Yes, Five of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Yeah, it's mean that you are not happy in this situation. You want to leave this. You want to leave this person, or leave your loneliness, or whatever you have. You want to go forward. Yes, you are going to be succeed in this. No, you are waiting for your good time. You want to change these things. You don't want to live alone, to thrown out um, with no money, no clothes, no something. You don't want to be left by somebody. You are waiting for your good time, your good person. Yes, a good message from someone. Two of Cups. Yes, the soulmate. You want your soulmate. Okay. Yes, that's why you are waiting for them. You are waiting for them because you want your soulmate to come towards you. Yes. And you want to be like a empress. You are empress. Maybe you are Aries. Lady Aries, I think. um, it's a open reading. It's a genuine reading, and it's for man or woman both. If you are a man, you want to be like an emperor, and if you are a woman, you want to like the empress. You want to be free. You want to give others your love, your care, your thoughts, whatever you have. You want to help others. You want to be free. You are a beautiful person, whoever you are. If you are a girl or a man, you are a very beautiful person from outside and from inside. Yes, release your ex. Yes, this is a situation about um, ex and ex. They had left you, and now you are weeping about them. You are not happy without them. Now you have to overcome your thinkings, your feelings, and begin your life once again. Okay, and think about someone else, the other person. That's the number two person. He is your soulmate. He love you. He heal you. Yes, he is good for you. His energy is good for you. Please think about that other person. Okay. Unrequired love, the first love you have got, who had left you, that are unrequited love. Yes, there is no enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Yes, there is no chemistry or attraction. You cannot do anything for that. Okay, you have to leave them. They are not coming back towards you. You have to move forward. Yes, yes, this is the card. In this situation, it's set for this. Storm angel, illusion of beliefs, styles, attitudes, energies. Yes, you have very much difference in between both of you. You cannot be live together, because where there is too much difference. They cannot live happily with each other. They always going to be fight about what you are doing. This is not the way to do this thing. This is not the way to deal with someone, because you are the more different persons towards each other. Yes, you never going to be happy with that person. That's why angels make them or you to leave them, and telling them there is the other person for you. You have to be prepared for them. Okay, this person having a wolf energy. Wolf is very clever, very wise. This wolf person is very wise, very clever, and little bit cruel. Yes, cruel. And they don't have feelings for others. Yes, they only think about them, that they love, and not the others. They If they think somebody is their enemy, they are going to cut them off from their life. They don't want them in their life. They hate them. Yes, and they know that they don't love you. That's why they left you. And it's good for them and you both. Okay. Yes, yes. Mary Masquerade, glamour, intrigue, drama. And this card resonate that that person which are you are feeling bad about. That person is not good. He is wearing mask, the devil energy. They are not true to you. Okay, they are hiding many more things from you. Okay, and they are wearing mask or makeup, or doing some drama front of you, that they are not happy, or they get nothing from you, or whatever they tell you or told you. They are not they never ever be happy with you. If they sometimes smile with you or laugh with you, it's only a drama. They are not happy with you. Okay, so it's better to let them go. Don't force them. Don't force yourself. Don't make your life disaster. Okay. Yes, this is reading for you. And I see that definitely there is the other person coming for you. Okay, and this is happen only then happened when you left your release your ex, left your ex. Okay, stop thinking about them. They are not good for you. They are unrequited love. Okay, and stop thinking about them, thinking about the other person who is coming towards you. Okay, this is your reading for now. Please like, share, subscribe. It's make me happy, feel me happy if you like and share, subscribe, and tell your other friends about these readings. Okay, it will help them to have a good advice. Okay, and what else? Yes, have a nice time with lots of wishes. Bye.